Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic Draftsight tutorial how to edit title block. So first I will insert for the title block. You can go to toolbox and then click insert. After it I will check show all standards and change into ISO. So I will use A4 paper size. Use default for scale list and you can specify for the specific area. So I will click in here, the area, click OK and then OK again. Now, if you want to edit this title block, you can double click and then you can see we have a lot of option in here. So you can set like approved by, you can set into Movasu cat, click apply and it will automatically appear into the title block. So I will change again, approved by Movasu, click apply and this is Movasu. If you done, you can click OK. Okay, that's it for a basic Draftsight tutorial how to edit title block. If you have any question about tutorial, you can comment below this video.